Hey, hello everyone. So previously we discussed about objects and now we are going to talk about properties in an object. And as I've said, properties in object are stored as key value pairs. So let us see this. Posts equals to, now we've already created an object. Let's do like this: title, my first post, then description, so after this, after writing title, you need to put a colon and write this, and after each of the properties there must be a comma, otherwise it will give you a syntax error. So you see description of my first post. Okay, so now if I now do console log posts, let's see what I get first, just running this script. These tutorials will be very short, and okay, so I get hold of this entire object, and if you're still not sure whether it's an object or not, you can always test the type of or the data type, that is console log type of posts. So now if I run this again, let's see what I get. Okay, so here you see the type of is object. So how can I access the properties? Accessing the properties is very simple. What you can do is just write posts, you just press a dot and whatever you want. While you press dot in VS Code, it automatically is giving you suggestions. So if you do title, you'll see you get the title. On the other hand, if you post description, okay, sorry, I didn't write description. So if I write, just give it a comma and write posts dot description. Now okay, so I guess now you know how you can create an object and store data in key value pairs. So what is the meaning of key value pairs? So key value means this title here is the key and this is the value of the key. So they are stored in pairs, and here is one pair, here is another pair. So I guess you're very much clear with what is an object, what are the properties inside an object, and the properties inside an object are stored as key value pairs. That is, the property is the key and this is the value which is assigned inside a string. It can also be a number, that's not a problem. It can also be a boolean or anything. So that's very much it. And suppose here if we wrote something like this, is published false, then if you wrote, and here if it was like views, it would have given me the same result. So you can tweak this and try for yourself. Yeah, so that's very much it, and in the next tutorial we'll talk about methods in objects. So that's very much it, and